Today, I want to talk to you about a very important PenFed credit card, and that's the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. This is one of the highest tier credit card from PenFed, and I want to share with you 7 easy, proven hacks that are getting people approved like crazy. So you want to stick around till the end of today's conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweaty Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous, if you were to ask me. If you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka. Now let's roll. In today's conversation, because I want to talk to you about the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card, okay? I want to share with you 7 easy, proven hacks that are getting people approved like crazy. Like crazy. The first thing I want you to do, and I want to show you right now the steps, and I want you to take a piece of paper and you want to write down the code here. Okay, we have a formula for you. First thing first, direct deposit. Okay, if you're trying to get this credit card, I want you to really be very clear about direct deposit. What I'm asking you to do here is to have direct deposit into a PenFed account. This is really important. Now, I'm not asking you to have 100%. You can have 75%, 50%, 60%. It really depends on you. You probably have other needs, so you have other checking accounts, and you want to allocate your direct deposit every 2 weeks or every month or every week appropriately. That's fine. But the good thing is, when you have direct deposit into a PenFed account, you are signaling to PenFed directly or indirectly that you are working. Okay, you are proving to them, you're showing them that you are employed. So you have proof of employment. Very important. We have said this on the show before, so that's what we call the magic trifecta. So you have proof of employment, proof of pay frequency, and proof of your employer. Okay, so Tisha, this is exactly the question you asked last time, right? What was your question about direct deposit? Yeah. This is exactly what it is. I mean, we want to be in a situation where we are proving to PenFed and everybody and any other lender for that matter that we are working, okay? So they don't have to ask for employment verification. They see the money coming in every 2 weeks. They see the money coming in every month, every week, or whatever, okay? But one thing I want you to pay attention to when we talk about direct deposit is you want to make sure that you don't actually allocate less than 10% to your PenFed account. This is too small unless you're making $1 million every month. If you have 10%, let's just say you're making $5,000 every month, and so that's $2,500 every 2 weeks. If you are only depositing $250 in your PenFed account, that's not going to help you. So we want something consequential. 50% is good, 25% is good. Okay, so you want to have that, and so PenFed will start paying attention to your income. This is really great. And anytime you have an update in your income, a hike in your income, a pay raise, you want to update your information automatically. Okay, so money. Cause talk to me about money. Where is your money at? Where is your money at? In PenFed or in other accounts? Because if you're trying to have this PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card, the first hack is you want to have direct deposit. Second hack, which is really important, pre-qualification. Boss, son, daughter, I want you to pay attention because pre-qualification is really important, and we love pre-qualification. And our research has shown us that pre-qualification is the way to go. Why? Because number one, you are preserving your FICO score, right? You're not getting those dings, those reductions, 5 points here, 10 points there, anytime you apply for a credit card. No, pre-qualification tells you, hey, listen, you might qualify. You might qualify for this amount if you applied. Okay, so this is really good. It's really good for your FICO score. It is also good for your personal self-esteem. Why? Because if you just walk around and you apply for 5 credit cards, let's just say you have 5 credit card application, you have 5 hard pulls, and you actually get denied 5 times, this is a double loss. Think about it. Not even double loss. This is a quintuple loss in this particular case, because not only are you denied, but also your credit score goes down. So we are trying to really avoid that. The good thing is, if you are, let's say, if you are a PenFed member, usually they send the links to you. Okay, so you'll see it. So when you log into your account, you will see if you pre-qualify for this PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card or any other card for that matter. Okay, so you have to log into your account online or through the app. Sometimes they will send you also letters in the mail, okay, via USPS. So you have a pre-approval letter on this particular credit card. One thing I want to say here is that, hey, listen, because I don't care. Hey, daughter. Hey, uncle, grandfather, grandma, grandpa. I want everybody to listen. I don't care about your financial situation. I don't care if you're making money or you're just scraping by. I don't care. Anytime you receive a pre-qual link from PenFed, you always want to take it. You always want to take it. And I know people sometimes say, well, you know, what about the PenFed Gold Visa? This is a lowest tier card. And so what? You are so important. You're just full of whatever, and you think that you don't deserve a lowest tier card. What's up with that? We got to be humble a little bit here, okay? You're looking for a PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card, okay? That's the highest tier, okay? You don't qualify for now. Get whatever they're giving you, and later on they can upgrade you to that card, okay? Never say no to a pre-qual link. You never know. Just test the waters. Okay, so credit cards, boys. I want you to be very clear with me. I want you to seek systematically and reflexively pre-qualification on all PenFed credit cards, including the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Credit Card. The third hack I want you to take right now, and this is so important, and Robert, we just love you. You are there in Teaneck, New Jersey, my hometown. We love you, and thanks for the question. You wanted to know you wanted to know about the importance of having an appointment at a branch. Now, the thing here is that, I mean, if we tell everybody to go to a branch and get an appointment and have a discussion about the credit card, the PenFed credit card, this will be unrealistic, right? I mean, PenFed has a lot of branches, but not as many as, say, Chase or Wells Fargo or Bank of America. But one thing I want to say here is that ideally, you want to get an appointment at a branch. So if you are blessed enough to live in the vicinity of a PenFed branch, I want you to bring your ass to the branch, have a conversation with someone. You want to ask all questions, okay? You want to ask all questions. You want to gather all intel about this particular Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card, so that you are in a better position to actually apply. So when you apply, your chances of approval are higher, okay? That way, you're not taken care of by an algorithm, the so-called PenFed algorithm, which does exist, by the way, okay? I mean, we've been the PenFed members for more than 30 years, and they do have tools. Those are called credit monitoring tools that allow them to make decisions, okay? So long story short, you go to a branch and as to talk to someone. If it's not possible, do a phone call, okay? I'm not trying to sit here and just tell you and compel you to automatically and only do it at a branch. If it's possible, do it. If not, okay. I mean, you know. So the thing here is do a phone call. And the third, if you can't do a phone call, or if you are comfortable doing an online application, this is totally up to you. You better have a high FICO score. You better have a great financial situation. Because when you apply for when you apply online, you actually are at the mercy of the algorithm. Okay, so our preference: go to a branch. You want to bring your paperwork. You want to ask all questions. Ask if the timing is right. You want to ask the rep, is this the perfect timing for me to get this credit card, to apply for this card? So big decision time, boss. Big decision time. Are you ready to get the Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card? If yes, do you live in the vicinity of a PenFed branch? If the answer is yes, I want you to go to a branch right now. I want to talk about FICO Score, and that's your hack number 4. Grandpa, I'm talking to you directly. Grandma, I'm talking to you. Uncle, aunt, I'm talking. Hey! Your FICO Score. What is your FICO Score? You're trying to get the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card, but do you have a clear idea about your FICO score? The thing is, when we talk about FICO score, people think, well, it's just a number. Yeah, you ask them, well, I think I'm around 590 or I'm around 600. I mean, the last time I checked this, it was like a long time ago. I really don't care anymore. You don't care? Are you serious? Are you serious here? You don't care. Or, hopefully it's around 650. Hopefully. Are we building a future on hopefully? Are we applying for credit cards on hopefully? No. Uncle, I'm talking to you. I mean, we better be in a situation where we have a clear idea about our FICO score. You want to monitor your FICO score. First of all, you want to know where you at. Where you at? 630, 595, 485, 400? Talk to me about that. Talk to me. Why are you walking away? Why are you walking away? You don't like what I'm telling you, but I want you to get this PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. That's what I care about. Okay, that's what I care about. I want you to really give me a definite answer about a very important matter. You want to go to annualcreditreport.com. You want to sign up now. Go to that website so you have a clear idea of what's in your credit reports. The three of them, okay, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. That's all you care about anyway, okay. And so you want to start looking at all issues, if there are anyway, okay. If somebody's playing games with your identity, you have identity theft, people opening credit cards or loans in your name, whatever. You want to file dispute letters, okay. And the thing is, don't think it's too complicated. People think, well, I don't have money to hire a credit repair agency. You don't have to do none of that. You can do it yourself. As a matter of fact, we have a lot of shows on our channel that explain the whole process, okay? And you also want to think about the fact that there are other providers of free FICO scores. We're talking about Credit Karma. We're talking about NerdWallet. We're speaking about Wallet Hub. We're speaking about CreditWise from Capital One. You don't have to be a Capital One cardholder, okay? And so pro tips here. Here are the pro tips you need to pay attention to. Please check your FICO score at least once a month, or ideally twice a month. This is very good, okay? Shall we talk about PenFed Banking? I think we should. Grandpa, son, daughter, everybody around the table, everybody. Yeah, you too, and I'm talking to, yeah, you too. Okay? I want your ass to be here. So you want to get the Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. Okay, let's talk about that. So the thing here is that when we talk about PenFed Banking, we are speaking about strategy. Things don't happen overnight, okay? Nothing good on this earth happens overnight. And the thing is, you want to actually take the time to build a relationship with PenFed, okay? So one thing you need to do is you need to have a checking account, but not any type of checking accounts. Boss, I want you right now, if you have another type of checking account with PenFed, I want you to switch it. You want to open something called an Access America checking account. The name is Access America. You know what? Because this will put you into a PenFed Honors Advantage program, which is wonderful in terms of the rewards potential you have when it comes to credit cards at PenFed and other things. So this is the card you want, Access America. All right? Okay, so once you have that, you want to think about your savings account. One thing I always say is that when we talk about savings account, we're not just talking about establishing a relationship with PenFed. We're not doing that for PenFed. Okay? Right now, you are 40 years old, you're 25 years old. Right now, you are 60 years old. But hey, listen, tomorrow, if there's a problem, you have a medical emergency and the insurance company is not paying for it, you got to have some cash. So we are looking at positions, we're looking at ways to buttress, to solidify, to strengthen our future. That's what I'm talking about. I don't care about, I care about establishing a relationship with PenFed. We have done, members of our team have done it for more than 30 years, so we know the importance of it. But what I'm trying to say is beyond that relationship must lie an important element, which is your wealth management strategy. Your ability to actually chill when you're in your 60s, in your 70s, when you no longer have the vigor that you once had in terms of your physicality. What I'm trying to say is we need to have a rainy day account. We need to have a savings account. We need to have an emergency account. And if you can have all those three things with PenFed, that's great. Okay, trying to have MMAs, trying to have CDs. Okay, the importance of accounts. Those accounts are important. money market account, certificate deposit, even individual retirement accounts. This is important. And here is a winner strategy for you, a winner strategy. The best of all is to have an IRA. IRA in terms of having a retirement account. This is really good because you're not only saving money, but you're also taking care of the future, which is really important. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. I'm still having a conversation with you today about the Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. I'm sharing with you 7 hacks that you need to have about this card so that you can get approved, okay? And hack number 6, your Equifax credit score. See, before I was just talking to you about your FICO score. Yes, it is important. Now we need to focus specifically. on your Equifax score. You know why? Anybody knows why? Yeah, John, you? That's right. Because PenFed pulls Equifax. Okay, so we want to focus on Equifax. Make sure that your Equifax credit score is accurate. Okay, you want to check for discrepancies among the three reports, but you want to focus more on your Equifax score. It's important to understand that when we actually go through an Equifax credit score or credit report for that matter, we pay attention to identified information. Okay, things like your name, your address, your social, your date of birth. So the identified information contained in your Equifax credit report is not used to calculate your credit score, but it is important in terms of identifying you. Okay, now your credit account information. So this information is reported to Equifax by your lenders and creditors and includes the types of accounts, for example, a credit card, mortgage, student loan, or a vehicle loan, the date those accounts were open, your credit limits or loan amount, your account balances, and your payment history. Okay, this information may not contain all your credit accounts for several reasons, such as closed accounts they have dropped off your report after a certain period of time, or accounts not reported to Equifax by lenders. Okay, so the bottom line is you want to be in a situation where you are really clear about the information on your Equifax credit report. Okay, also when you look at your Equifax credit report, you see inquiry information, and certainly you know that right now that there are 2 types of inquiries, right? So you have soft and hard, right? So the cool thing is soft does not have any impact on your credit score, but hard does. Okay, so if you have to make sure that this is also accurate. What about bankruptcies? Okay, so your Equifax credit report contains information about bankruptcy. Okay, but those have to be public records though. Okay, and some details such as the filing date and the chapter. In other words, the type of bankruptcy. And last but not the least, collections accounts. So I'm just giving you a rundown of things you have to check on your Equifax credit report to make sure that things are accurate. So here is the decision. I want you to right now make a conscious effort to get the latest copy of your Equifax credit score, and you want to go through them. And if you have any questions, first make sure everything is accurate. If you have any question, please drop the questions down below. We'll answer you. Not a problem. Last but not the least, I want you to know in and out the card facts. So which card are we talking about? We are talking about the PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. Okay, as I said before, this is the highest tier when it comes to PenFed credit cards. Okay, and this is really it's a great card. It's a card that allows you to normally, if you have a bad FICO score, you're not going to get this card unless you have a strong, very, very, very strong relationship with PenFed. Strong and lengthy relationship. Otherwise, they want you to have at least a good credit score, okay, to qualify for this card. And even if you have fair credit, you need to have a strong relationship with PenFed, okay? And the card is great because the APR is kind of decent. You are looking at 13.49% to 17.99% variable. And in terms of the rewards earning rate, you can earn 5x back at gas stations, 3x back on groceries, and 1x back on all other purchases. So this card is kind of great for jet setters, people who flies regularly and like finding ways to score even more travel for free. For a deal seeker, so if you diligently search for the best products and if you delight in a good bargain. For a road warrior, so if you hit the road often, whether for work or play. If you are an adventure seeker, if you love to explore places and experience new things, this card is great for you, okay? And what we love about this card is that when you think about this card, the card has pros and cons. Here are the pros. You have big rewards at the gas pump. You have a low APR and you have low fees. Here are the cons. PenFed credit union membership is required. Of course, this is the credit union. Redemption restrictions, and you have disappointing bonus for new card holders, okay? So because the combination of a hefty spending requirements and a paltry points payoff make this deal a dud in our view. So, but the thing I want to say here is that when you think about this card, new card holders will earn a 15,000 points when they spend $1,500 in the first 90 days they have the card, okay? So this is what it is. I mean, we think this is relatively less than you would get with most comparable rewards cards. And the spending requirements, in our view, is high compared to competitors' deals, okay? So if you want to get the most of this card, make sure that you build up your points balance quickly by using this card exclusively for bonus category, okay? Use it whenever you are at the gas pump for sure, okay? And you should also stick to true supermarkets, like when you're buying food, since groceries at superstores and warehouse clubs don't qualify for the bonus points, okay? And other features we love about this card is you have extended warranties, you have insurance for stolen or damaged goods, damaged purchases, not damaged goods, rental car collision insurance, roadside assistance, okay, travel and emergency, and concierge for booking events, tickets, travel, and other services. Thank you so much, boss, for your attention to this conversation. I was talking to you about the PenFed, the high limit, very high limit, PenFed Platinum Rewards Visa Signature Card. So, and I share with you 7 easy, proven hacks that are getting people approved like crazy. Number 1, direct deposit. Number 2, pre-qualification. Number 3, branch appointment. Number 4, FICO Score. Number 5, we have the PenFed Banking, the importance of PenFed Banking. Number 6, we have your Equifax credit score. And number 7, last but not the least, you need to familiarize yourself with the card facts with this card, okay? Thank you. I'll see you next time. God bless you. And until then, remember, stay marvelous.